In this video, we are going to be highlighting the Extrema mode and cubic interpolation functions of the validation tool in OceansMap. So to show this, we can open the validation tool. We can select a parameter that has Extrema, so this needs to be a harmonic data set like water level. We can select a station, so this is best shown if we select a station that has varying tides, so we can find a station at one of the inlets along the Atlantic. So I'll use this button here to show the available stations that have water level measurements, and they will show on the map. So I can select one of those there at the mouth of the Chesapeake. We need to select the comparison model. So for this, I'll select the Chesapeake Bay water level model. The date range I will leave as the default, and you can see when we select a harmonic parameter, the mode and interpolation options populate in the validation tool. So I can go ahead and select the Extrema mode and the cubic interpolation, and I'll calculate this data. And you can see we have the same error statistics table with number of points, bias, R-squared, RMS, and the scatter index. We have the scatter index plot, and then we have this data comparison plot, which looks a bit different than the other parameters because we're looking at Extrema and using a cubic interpolation. So you can see that points are only plotted at the peak and trough of the water level data that's coming in here.